Welcome to Natural Taste Kitchen, where foods are prepared naturally in a more healthy way without the addition of artificial ingredients. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make achicha and abobo, an Enugu delicacy, and I'll also be sharing some tips that will make your achicha to come out perfect. So the first thing you do, you buy your achicha and abobo. You select your abobo thoroughly. Do not forget to select the yellowish abobo, and as you are selecting the stones and other debris. Then after the selection, your abobo will look like this. Then the achicha you crush in the market, or you can break at home with your pestle. You break it in a coarse form as you are seeing it in this video. That is the second tip. The next step, you boil your water. Another tip is that you add salt in your water and allow it to boil very well. This salt will make it to have taste, the abobo to have taste, and it will also make it to done well, done fast. So after adding the salt, you cover the pot, allow it to boil very well. Then you start washing your achicha abobo. You wash it thoroughly. After washing, introduce inside the pot. Guys, if you forget to select the yellowish abobo, after putting it in the pot, you now use something and remove the ones that float on the water. Then you proceed to wash your achicha. You wash the achicha many times. You can wash up to 10 times, more than 10 times, or even less. But you wash it thoroughly. It used to contain enough dirty. So as you are washing, you wash and drain the achicha. You remove, as I'm doing it in this video, you remove the achicha just carefully. You wash it, you remove it, drain it, and as you're washing, make sure you don't pack all the achicha inside the water. You remain some achicha inside the water before discarding the water. That is another tip, so that you will not pack stones or sand inside your food. So as you can see, this one, there's still achicha inside, but I discarded the water. You wash it again. You do the same, you repeat the same process. See what I remained in the second washing. You continue washing just the way I am doing it in this video. You wash, you drain it, you discard it, rinse the bowl, and continue washing. Guys, if you have not tested this food and have been in Enugu, we are missing a whole lot. You need to eat this food. If you eat it once, and you must want more. So you continue washing, you wash, you drain as I am doing it. Then you discard it, you wash again. So after washing, you now introduce it. Make sure you drain it. You press it very, very well with your 2 fingers before you now put it inside waterproof, tie it, and put it inside the boiling achicha on fire. You cover it. After 45 minutes, you check the achicha whether it is done. Guys, another thing, some people used to pre-soak their achicha before cooking it, but I am giving you another tip. If you want your achicha to come out well, do not pre-soak it. Just wash it and introduce it inside the waterproof, tie it, and put it inside the boiling abobo. Then after cooking it, you now bring it out like this as I'm doing it in the video. You bring it out, you put inside bowl or inside the tray, you turn it together. Just After that, you now use spoon. Do this when it is hot. It is still hot. You use your spoon or anything, maybe knife, turn it together and spread it. This is another tip that will make it come out well. You spread it so that it will not mat together. So now this is when you wash your achicha, your abobo after cooking it. You don't, this is another tip. You don't wash it like some people. They used to pre boil. They used to boil the achicha and wash it as if you're the way you used to do it when you're cooking your beans. But in this process, don't wash it. Just the first washing, you wash it before you start cooking it. That is the wash. You wash it, then after that, you another tip, you don't pre cook it before washing the achicha, as some used to do when they are cooking beans. In this process of cooking abobo, you wash it that first time, you cook it until it is done before you wash it again, as I am showing you in this video. If the salt is too much in the abobo, you rinse it with more water. Then the recipes are abobo, achicha, otazi leaf, eggplant, enough onion, scent leaf, catfish, akpaka, combination of yellow green pepper and red pepper, red oil, salt. First thing, you heat your pot, add your red oil, introduce your onion immediately. I don't like bleaching my oil. That is another tip for some people that are having ulcer. It's not good to be preheating your oil, to be cooking your. In fact, if you put your oil inside the pot, immediately you introduce your oil and your onion. Just turn it and put wherever you are using to cook. So after that, you now put the scent leaf and the okpaka. Turn them together, maybe like, I don't like cooking it much, maybe like a minute or 2 minutes before you just. This food is very, very delicious and healthy, all in one. Then you add your pepper, stir it before you now add your achicha. Guys, I like adding my achicha first so that it will mix well with the oil and make it come out one. Even if it is when it is cold, it will not mat together. That is why it is good, preferable to add the achicha first. And if you soak your achicha before cooking it, it will mat. It's one of the tips. It will mat together after cooking and it will be too soft. So that is why it is not advisable to soak your achicha before you cook it. So if you wash it, you put it in the waterproof as I showed you already. You add into the cooking abobo pot. Chai, if you have not tasted this food, you don't know what you are missing. Wow. So after that, you cover it to allow it to heat. You add your achicha. Turn it together. Mix it together very, very well. As you are mixing it, remember to test salt. So you test the amount of salt in it. It is okay. You now cover it. Allow it to heat up very well. You now stir it. Your achicha is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.